You okay?
I'm supposed to say yes. That's what the nice girl always says, but no, I'm not. I want to be, I thought I could be, but it's too much, too fast.
You look adorable.
Sometimes I can take the silence. Emotions won't flow, hold the
She's a crazy fucking drama queen who just killed herself for attention.
I wanted a reason for being on this planet.
You belong here just as much as everyone else.
Electrical storms in my head.
Yeah, I hear you two like a guy between you now and then.
I'm sure you've heard some of the rumors about me.
I know who you are. I'm sorry that after you sexually harassed those girls, that there were actual consequences.
I will haunt you.
Hey, it's Hannah. Hannah Baker.
Hannah lied. We know this. There's nothing more to say.
You can't love someone back to life.
I tried.